Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox shirts on your mobile device. First, you'll need a good image editing app like Ibis Paint X or Procreate. Next, download the official Roblox shirt template from the Creator Hub. Make sure your template is exactly 128 pixels by 128 pixels. This precise sizing is crucial for your design to fit correctly on Roblox avatars, ensuring a smooth and professional look for your custom clothing. Now, let's get creative. Import your Roblox template into your editing app. Use separate layers for each design element. This is key for flexibility. You can add vibrant colors, unique textures, and custom graphics. Remember to carefully design each section, like the front, back, and sleeves, so your shirt looks seamless on the avatar. Experiment with different brushes and effects to make your design truly stand out and reflect your personal style. Once your design is perfect, save it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Then, head over to the Roblox website on your mobile browser. Go to the Create section and upload your finished PNG. You'll need to pay a small fee, usually 10 Robux, to upload it. After that, set your desired price in Robux for other players to purchase. Remember, a portion of each sale goes to you, the creator. Here are some pro tips to elevate your mobile shirt creations. Always test your shirt on your avatar in Roblox to catch any unexpected issues before publishing. Think about designing matching pants or accessories to create full, appealing outfits. This can significantly boost your sales and player interest. Finally, engage with the Roblox community. Their feedback is invaluable for refining your skills and staying updated with popular trends. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.